quick reading for January the 3rd to January the 4th. Taurus, we have the Magician, the Five of Pentacles, and the Page of Cups. So, actually, itong pagkakaroon ng resolution no dito sa ating relationship, parang nasa kamay natin yung key eh. Chances are dahil meron kang mga nakikitang imperfections no sa relationship, it felt like mas bibigyan natin yun ng diin, the imperfection per se, rather than we see the imperfections and then may kaakibat na this is what should be done, no? Hindi lang yung basta tinignan mo lang siya and then making fuzz out of it. But also, mas maganda yung tinignan mo siya and then, you know, parang meron tayong feedback na ito siguro ang mas maganda to make our connection better, no? So, wala naman ako nakikitang paglayas. Ito lang yung siguro ang medyo bababa lang ang ating kumpiyansa with our person. Pero instead of, yun nga, placing ourselves or putting them, no, in a hot seat, i-cheer natin sila to grow. So this is your quick reading, Taurus, for February the 3rd to February the 4th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love.